Hello and welcome to this month's market update. This is the end of the year report. We're going to give you all of the information that you need to have in order to make the best decisions when it comes to real estate here in the state of Florida. Now, these specific numbers are going to be catering to our market here in Southwest Florida, which is both Lee and Collier counties. Lee County is Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Lehigh Acres, Estero, Bonita Springs. Collier County is primarily Naples, Marco Island, Golden Gate Estates. Now, here's the thing. We have been seeing a tremendous trend, and I'm going to make a prediction at the end of this video that you're going to want to stick around for. So let's jump right into the numbers. Now, when it comes to closed sales, we always want to talk about those first. In the past month in Collier County, we had 247 single-family homes closed. That's down 15% compared to last year. In Lee County, we had 868 homes that sold, and that is down 8%. So you can see that the number of homes sold are down in all of Southwest Florida compared to this time last year. Median price, $770,000 in Collier County for a single family. That's up 3%, so it's gone up ever so slightly. And that's also up compared to last month when we were at $755,000. Now we're at $395,000 as a median price in Lee County, and that's down 4% year over year. And we actually had that at $400,000 last month, so it's down ever so slightly compared to last month. But for all purposes, remaining relatively flat in both numbers. Days on market is now 77 in Collier County. That is up 38%. And then it's at 58 days on market, which is up 26% year over year. So it's taking longer to sell homes. That has been the trend. It has been continuing to go that way. So I would not expect that to change anytime soon. When it comes to new listings, we have 728 new listings in Collier County. That's up 21% year over year. And then 2,126 in Lee County. That's up 23%. So more listings hitting the market. We're going to talk about that because that is affecting the overall supply. Now, pending inventory, this is a big number for us. So 498 in Collier County, that's down 4%. Pending inventory is what's telling us what the future closed sales will be. That becomes quite obvious. So that's slightly down in Collier. And then we had 1,234 in that are currently pending in Lee County, and that is down 15%. So all of Southwest Florida is experiencing less pending than we were this time last year. Month supply in Collier County are 8 months, 8.3 months. That's up 36%. And in Lee County, we're at 7 months. That is up 27%. So I know I just threw a lot of numbers at you, but let's make sense of them. So we know after COVID took place, the real estate market went a little crazy, especially in Florida, where a lot of people were attempting to come to a place where they weren't required to wear masks, etc., and have a lot of extra space. You know the drill. That ship has sailed. So in 2021, we saw a blockbuster year when it came to the number of sales that took place. 2022, we had less sales that took place in 2021. 2023, we had less sales than 2022. And now in 2024, we have less sales than we did in 2023. So there is an obvious trend that is taking place to see that we've had significantly less homes sell year over year, and this year is no different than what happened in previous years. And actually, as of right now, we're off by about 8 to 9% sales total cumulatively for the year compared to where we were last year. Now we're just finishing up the year, so there's some last minute sales that will take place to make that number a little bit closer. But here is the prediction that I'm willing to make. I believe that 2024 was the lowest number of sales that we will have in a year compared to what we will see moving forward. I believe 2025 is going to be the start of a recovery in terms of the number of transactions that take place. And so 2026 and 2027, it will be a further recovery. We started 2024 with about 14,000 properties that were on the market. Going into January this year, we are going to be right at 20,000 properties available in all of Southwest Florida with an inventory level right at 8 months of inventory. That puts us very strongly into a buyer's market where sellers are being forced to be competitive so that they can sell their property. And we've talked a lot about what the other factors are at play here when it comes to insurance, when it comes to interest rates, when it comes to the current pricing of real estate. Those are all things that are headwinds that our sellers are having to deal with because they've got to get realistic around being competitive in this marketplace. And so we have options out there for buyers. I believe there's going to be some things that are coming in 2025 that will help incentivize people to purchase more property based on certainly some government, but also some macroeconomic factors that are at play. And so as a buyer, this is going to be a good potential opportunity for you coming into the new year. What are your thoughts? Do you think that we're still going to continue to see less sales in 2025? Or do you agree with me that 2024 is going to be our lowest year that we will have? Comment below. As always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate that. You have a blessed day and hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.